On a typical Wednesday night, Rory Thomas and her volunteer staff at Lubbock Impact would be busy rushing from kitchen to dining room, placing hot casseroles, bags of donuts, and other donated goods onto their decorative tables. Normally, they'd provide a space for family dining to nearly 300. But with the spread of coronavirus, or COVID-19, they're having to rethink the way they serve the community.
Lubbock Impact is finding new ways to do what we are supposed to do. It's kind of like just doing it with a twist, you know? We created actually 320 servings, but we put them into casseroles so families could use them. Cars drove through, and of course we're going by everything that the city is encouraging us to do as far as safety with masks and gloves, and we did that when it was all being prepared also. But we were able to take care of, I believe, between 50 and 60 households.
Lubbock Impact is a faith-based organization that provides an array of services, from hot meals to medical clinics, all free of charge to the working poor throughout Lubbock. Tonight is the second Wednesday in a row that Rory and her team have served to-go dinners to their regular families. Their client base is expected to get hit the hardest by the effects of the coronavirus.
So our people are the working poor, and they're the ones that are going to be hit so hard in this because a lot of them are lower level in their jobs. You know, we don't have too many managers of anything, or if a company was needing to cut back, it's our people that are going to be cut back.
Texas Tech economics professor Robert McComb estimates that 20% of employment in Lubbock is at risk.
Yeah, 12% of our employment is in retail trade, and as they start closing down or reducing their hours, they're going to be letting people go. Arts, entertainment, recreation, of course, that's all shut down. They're going to be letting people go. And the hospitality industry in Texas, which has really grown substantially in the last few years, when you look at all the new motel, hotel construction that's taken place, restaurants, et cetera, and that right now is about 13% of employment, and that's going to largely grind to a halt.
And it's not just Lubbock Impact's clients that are experiencing loss. Most of their volunteer network is comprised of older volunteers and Texas Tech students. Thomas estimates that they've lost about 3/4 of their volunteer staff. But she says there's a silver lining in all of this.
Us realizing what our true needs are and how to truly help people, there's some good that can come out of all of this. I know it's a financial strain, so hard on everybody, but learning to love your neighbor in this way is just absolutely beautiful.
Follow our coronavirus coverage at kttz.org. For Texas Tech Public Media, I'm Casey Ellingson.